Hey y'all, I wanted to show you how I made this full coverage curly bob with one pack of braid hair. Here's the hair that I used, and I also used this crochet cap that includes a 5-inch lace part. Just showing you what it looks like when you take the hair out of the package, and also what the cap looks like up close. Here I'm taking one bundle of hair and cutting it in half because I do not want a super long wig. I ended up using only about 2.5 of the 3 bundles that come in the package. Now I'm giving you a really quick version of how I'm doing this wig. I made sure that I covered all of the back, all of the front, and this right here is me adding little strands of hair to that 5-inch lace part. Here's a brief shot of the wig fully crocheted. Now I personally love this particular grade of cancelone hair. It looks better to me than the other types of braid hair that I've seen, and plus it's easier for me to work with. What you see right here is me trimming the hair. And now I'm adding the Flexirods to the hair so that it can get its curl. Now I'm about to take this wig and put it in some very hot water. For those who don't know, when you dip synthetic hair that's on some type of curling rod into hot water, you can make some very beautiful curls. And here you see me unwrapping the hair off of the rods, and you see very loose, kind of a Shirley Temple curl almost. Here's a full view of what it looks like without me pulling the hair out, and here it is with me pulling and fluffing those curls, and it makes some very beautiful curls. But I don't want to keep the wig that long, so I'm gonna cut it a little bit shorter and cut it so that it fits the shape of my face and looks how I want it to look. And boom, look at that. She's cute, and she wasn't that hard to do. It didn't take a lot of time for me to make her, and it's full coverage, so I don't have to worry about having any of my hair out. And I got to wear her at least 4 good times before I had to recurl her, so that's pretty good for a pack of $5 hair. If you want to see more wig videos or hair tutorials, please let me know. I enjoy doing these. It's very therapeutic for me. I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.